Hey guys, I am here to quickly explain your first test. So, if you noticed on page 22, it says lesson 11, but then on page 23, it says lesson 13. Well, what happened to lesson 12? It's kind of mysterious, right? So, obviously, this textbook is designed to use in a classroom, and there's also a supplemental test textbook that goes along that comes with the teacher's packet, which you didn't purchase because your parents didn't want to spend that money, and I didn't want them to purchase it either. So, it's totally cool. Don't think that something's wrong with your book. There's supposed to be a missing lesson. So, what are we going to do because we're missing the 12th lesson? We're going to have a test. And then you're like, wait, what? Where are the tests? And I'm going to tell you sort of what we're going to do for our test. At the end of the book, like you'll notice there's some colored pages, there's some blue pages, some yellowish pages, and some green pages. If you flip to page 357, you'll see the first blue page, and you'll notice that it says lesson 6 homework problems, lesson 8 homework problems, and lesson 10 homework problems. Well, these are problems that you should be able to do after lesson 6, able to do after lesson 8, and able to do after lesson 10. If you just want to take sort of a sneak peek, you'll notice that they don't have homework problems for every lesson, and it kicks up again with lesson 11 on the other side. So the way that we're going to sort of roll out our first test is we're just going to use page 357 as our first test. This is it. So if you totally want to write test 1 across the top here, that would be a great idea. You can do that. This is your test, page 357. And all of this is your test. So you're talking like not very many problems, like less than 40 problems for your first test. You do need to do them all, and you need to do them exactly as it asks you to do. Like, so for example, under the middle section where it says lesson 8, it says check each answer in 1 through 6 by casting out nines. So you need to do it and then cast out the nines. I don't think that you'll have enough space on this actual page to really do much of the work. So I think it will be best if I just make the decision and say, I want you to do each of these on a separate sheet of paper. So if it even takes you 2 sheets of paper for each of these lessons, that's fine. I just want you to title it. So I want you to say test 1, and then I want you to say lesson 6, test 1, lesson 8. Test 1, lesson 10. And if you need to do them on all separate sheets of paper, totally awesome. And then upload that, and I'm going to count that as a test grade for you. So that's actually your first test. Not too hard, and gives me a good idea of where you're at. Helps us kind of figure out what we're doing right and what we need to continue to work on. You're doing an outstanding job, and I look forward to seeing everyone's test results soon. Have a great day.